Yes guys, once again we are so excited because we are going to have a vacation in Boracay once again. Yes, the world's best island beach.
Madam Barbie. Nice walk.
Pasok muna kay madam. Pasok muna kay madam.
Okay sa pool. Ayan, Astoria Current Boracay guys. Andito kami, ang tira mo guys ang Infinity Pool. Oh.
Hello, Astoria.
Yan. Dito sa loob. Halika dito. Push talaga. Hanggang kagabi kami nag-swimming dito.
Yeah, pagka kami nag-check-in. So, from Manila, direct to Astoria.
Dito kami nag-swimming kami dito, yan.
Yes.
Ito may dito may ano, meron ditong cafe.
We're enjoying that. We just have our cafe break. We're full.
Yes guys, once again, nandito kami sa Astoria. At dami ka dito, picture ka dito. Maupo. Sir, sandali lang sir ha. O sige, ayas mo muna sir. Yes guys. Yes. Sabi mo Astoria, andito kami guys.
Astoria.
Astoria Current Boracay. Yan. Andun ang cafe oh. Gusto nyong ano, pwede kami order ng halo-halo. Gusto nyong mango shake. Meron dito guys. Astoria Boracay. Yan, Current. Yes, yan. Yes.
Okay.
Infinity po, lalo sa gabi ba nun, napakaganda dyan. Ako. Ayan, guys. Kumano pala bumibiyaya guys, may barko dyan o yan.
Yes guys, thank you for joining Awesome Buddies during our tour of Boracay. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next episodes. Bye. Love you people.
Alive, alive, alive. Yeah. Alive, alive. Yeah. Yan ang neighbor ng Cesar. Astoria Current Boracay.